everyone, Maria Yakimovich, Sales Manager of Medousa Developers here, and I'm here today to outline for you the new criteria for the PR program here in Cyprus as of the 22nd of May 2023. PR stands for Permanent Residency. The Permanent Residency Program allows you to reside here in Cyprus even without the use of an EU passport. The initial investment that we'll be talking about is the PR by investment in a property here in Cyprus for the sum of a minimum of 300,000 euros plus VAT. The application for the PR program is done through your lawyer and it settles you for life. After 5 years of having your approved permanent residency, you can apply for having citizenship here in Cyprus. The main criteria that you have to have is to show that you have an annual income of at least 50,000 euros. You must only show confirmation of this income once upon application for your documents. This amount of income can either come from the applicant's personal account, the spousal account, or also from a company account whereby the applicant is a 100% shareholder. This annual income has to be confirmed by a tax declaration from the tax residency of the applicant. Likewise, this income can be confirmed by an official certificate provided by the chartered accountant of the initial applicant. So to maintain the PR program, what you would have to do is you would have to reside in Cyprus at least once in every 2 years or 60 days in a year. Likewise, you would still have to confirm the ownership of the property every year through an official search done by the land registry. Every 3 years, you would have to supply the government with a clean criminal record from your country of origin, your tax residency, or the country where you currently reside. Whether those three are the same or different, it depends on your situation. We see with these new implementations of changes into the PR program, it is making it much more easier for people to have their dream home and build with companies such as ours. If you would like to find out more about things such as the PR program or about anything else to do with property acquirement, please check out our website for more regular blogs. Thank you so much.